Have you ever felt like something or someone wants to take everything from you? Your peace, your joy, your most precious dreams? That there is an invisible force trying to bring you down? John 10:10 reveals the truth behind this conflict. The thief comes only to steal and kill and destroy. I've come that they may have life and have it to the full. Today, we're going to dive into this battle between destruction and abundant life. Hello, and welcome to the Root of Faith and Prophecy channel. If you want to understand how not to fall victim to the thief, and at the same time experience the abundant life Christ promises, you are in the right place. Before we continue, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications because you won't want to miss what's coming next. And let me ask you, have you ever realized that not everything that happens in your life is just a matter of fate? That there is something invisible trying to steal from you what God has planned? The verse shows us two realities: the thief, who represents everything that destroys, and Christ, who offers abundant life. Imagine that every loss, every frustration, every disappointment you feel is an attempt by the thief to steal what God desires for you. But there is hope. Christ came precisely to restore, strengthen, and give abundance. Stay with me until the end, because I'm going to reveal something that can transform the way you face your struggles, turning every challenge into an opportunity to experience abundant life. In the next section, we'll get to know the thief in detail, his subtle and dangerous strategies, and understand why he is so effective at stealing lives without us even noticing. Do you feel like your peace disappears for no reason? That your dreams get stuck, or your relationships suffer without explanation? That's the thief in action. He's real, cunning, and silent, and his goal is simple: to steal, kill, and destroy. The thief doesn't attack with physical force. He acts in the shadows, disguised as anxiety, fear, discouragement, and doubt. He invades your mind and heart, making you believe that everything is normal, that life is just this way, and that there is no hope. He eats away at your faith, undermines your courage, plants resentment, and steals your vision of the future. He steals joy, making you doubt your own worth. He kills dreams, creating distractions, fear, and procrastination. He destroys relationships, sowing hurt, jealousy, and mistrust. He undermines opportunities, convincing you that giving up is the only way out. The most dangerous part? He acts silently. Every defeat, frustration, or feeling of helplessness may be the thief trying to rob you of what God has prepared for you. Imagine this: everything you've lost, or feel you've lost, every joy that disappeared, every dream interrupted. It's no coincidence. There is a strategic force waiting for the right moment to attack, but not everything is lost. In the next section, we'll discover who the true protector and deliverer is, the one who faces the thief head-on and restores what was stolen. Get ready for a revelation that can transform your life. So how does Jesus offer us abundant life? And what does it truly mean? When Jesus says he came so that we may have life abundantly, he's not talking just about survival, but about a life filled with purpose, joy, and true peace. Abundant life doesn't depend on external circumstances. It's born out of a deep relationship with God, peace even in the midst of the storm, forgiveness and inner freedom, hope that turns frustration into growth. Few people realize this. Abundant life manifests in everything we do: health, relationships, work, and even finances. Every difficulty can become a point of growth. Christ transforms pain into learning and loss into victory, offering abundant life here and now. And what if I told you that you already have within you the potential to experience this abundant life? You just need to recognize the difference between destruction and Christ. Have you ever stopped to think that the thief never shows up knocking at the door? He doesn't shout, he doesn't warn you, he doesn't announce, "I've come to steal your peace, kill your dreams, destroy your life." He works silently. He works in the gaps. He works where you least expect it. The thief works with subtlety. He infiltrates your thoughts, whispering lies: "You're not enough. You'll never change. Why dream if it's just going to fail again? He's a master at turning little things into huge storms. He plants doubts, and before you know it, those doubts have already become walls inside you. You stop praying because you feel like God doesn't hear you. You hold on to grudges because you think forgiving is losing. You stay silent in front of opportunities because the voice of fear speaks louder. All of this is attack. These are the thief's strategies to weaken your strength. He doesn't need to strip everything from you at once. He is patient. He steals a little today, a little more tomorrow. And when you open your eyes, you realize your joy is no longer the same. Your faith has weakened and your dreams seem far away. And the worst part? Many times we believe it's ourselves. Oh, I'm just like this. I can't change. My life is too hard. No, many of these battles are external, invisible. It's the thief pretending to be your own inner voice. But here's the good news. He is not invincible. The thief fears the presence of Christ. And when you draw near to Jesus, the light exposes the darkness. You begin to discern. You learn to say, this isn't mine, this doesn't come from God, I refuse this lie. Read the word, truth dismantles lies. Pray, prayer strengthens your mind and heart. Surround yourself with people of faith. You don't need to fight alone. Practice vigilance. If something robs your peace, question its source. And here's the turning point. Identifying the thief is only the first step. Victory comes in living daily the abundant life that Jesus offers. How do we do that? That's exactly what we'll see now. Have you ever asked yourself, okay, I understand about the thief, but how do I live abundant life every day in the middle of so many struggles? Abundant life is not the absence of problems. It's the presence of Christ in every detail. It's walking with the assurance that even if the thief tries to attack, there is someone greater protecting your life. Start the day in prayer. The first voice you should hear is not the thief's, it's God's. Practice gratitude. Gratitude closes the door to complaining, which is one of the thief's greatest entry points. Guard your mind, choose what you consume. News, social media, conversations. What enters you shapes your outlook on life. Choose forgiveness. Holding on to resentment is giving the thief free lodging in your heart. Dream again. Even if you've lost something, in Christ you can start over. Did you know that people who live by faith and hope actually have better results in health and emotions? Abundant life isn't only spiritual, it also reflects in the physical, emotional, and social areas of life. Imagine living each day knowing that the thief may try, but will never win, because you are covered by the abundant life of Christ. That changes everything. The way you react to criticism, how you handle problems at work, how you face financial crises. You stop being a hostage and become a victor. Maybe someone watching me right now has lost almost everything. A relationship, a job, the joy of living. And you're thinking, is there still life for me? Yes. Because what Christ offers is not just a small repair. It is full, abundant, overflowing life. The thief exists, but he does not have the final word. Jesus came and he came to give life. Not just any life, but the best life possible. A life that begins within you and overflows into everything around you. If this message spoke to your heart, don't let it slip away. Like this video right now, share it with someone who needs to hear it, and subscribe to the channel to keep receiving words of life. Don't give space to the thief. Choose to live the abundant life that Christ offers today.